So we have owned property for over 20 years, and we have several properties here in Murrieta, and we manage them ourselves for 20 years. And after that period of time, I was just ready to hand it over to someone else who could run it more professionally than what I was doing. And I was also getting phone calls all hours of the night, holidays, just different times when things would come up, and just life got to a place where I just didn't have the time to handle that anymore. So I love that we hired Reliable Realty to take over our property, because I don't have to deal with any of that anymore. Reliable Realty did give us our life back. Not only are we able to enjoy the freedom of going on a vacation or going out of town and not having to worry about our rental properties, but we're also property owners of a completely different type in the medical field, and it allowed us to concentrate on what we do for a living, and that is healthcare. So we did get our life back, both professionally and personally. Reliable Realty gave us peace of mind because I don't stay on top of the laws, and knowing that they're doing all that for us is a tremendous help. And also it protects us, and that's invaluable to us. I don't have to screen applicants anymore. They took care of that, and they're very selective. So we have tremendous peace of mind from that as well. So we've had some of our tenants for 15 to 20 years. And what happens is they become very comfortable with you and used to calling you for whatever they need, and there becomes almost a place where it's not even professional anymore. And I just love that we don't have to deal with that anymore, that the rents are paid on time and there's no excuses, that they have, and it's easier for the tenants because they can do it online now, and they can make their repairs online. They're always able to reach Reliable Realty. I think it's easier for them as well. But yes, I wouldn't go back to ever managing them myself again, because it just brings a whole level of professionalism that we didn't have before. They're also able to look at our rents and keep us in a place where, if we can continue to make money on this, and where we weren't raising our rents because we knew these people personally now. So it just took it to a whole new level. I would never go back to managing these rentals again by myself.